But first tonight to the story that's breaking. Battle lines have been drawn for the Lok Sabha Speaker's post as the 18th Lok Sabha convened. Opposition leaders have now met at Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge's residence. There will now be a contest for the Speaker's post, something that doesn't happen too often. Only for the fourth time will we see a contest of this kind for the Speaker's post. The NDA is claiming the support of over 300 MPs. The Speaker election is at 11 a.m. tomorrow. This follows a breakdown in the negotiations between the government and the opposition. The consensus did not take place. The opposition wanted the Deputy Speaker's post. The government did not give a commitment. So we now have a contest. Om Birla, who remember was the Speaker in the previous Lok Sabha, versus K. Suresh, who is going to be the candidate of the Congress party. So what's happening at that meeting? There was talk that the Trinamool Congress and even the NCP were not consulted before the decision was taken by the Congress to contest the election. Maushmi Singh joins me at the moment. Maushmi, has that consensus been arrived at least within the opposition, that they will have a contest, or are they still looking for some kind of way out by which they get the Deputy Speaker's post and the government gets the Speaker's post?
So Rajdeep, I learned that the opposition will go full throttle the India bloc as far as contesting the Speaker's post is concerned, and Supriya Sule from the NCP, and also of course from Trinamool Congress, Kalyan Banerjee and Derek O'Brien are present in that meeting that's happening right now at Mallikarjun Kharge's residence. So the India bloc is confident that they can get their flock together. But on the other hand, our government is, in fact, sources tell us, claiming that their numbers could actually notch up higher than the current tally of 292. They would get the YSRCP in their kitty, as well as they are in touch with other opposition MPs as far as getting them in there on their side is concerned, and their figure could come to 307. So this is more of not a figure game, number game, more about a perception battle that's being fought between the India bloc and the NDA.
So you're saying all the allies at least are on board, but clearly the BJP on the other hand is determined that they are not willing to concede the Deputy Speaker's post, or is there a possibility that they will concede that post after they get their Speaker elected?
Rajdeep, right now I think that the government is pretty clear about the fact that we shall arrive at a decision as far as Deputy Speaker's post is concerned when we cross that bridge. As of now, this is about the Speaker's post, and the Congress is being really unrealistic by trying to blackmail the government in terms of demanding for the Deputy Speaker's post. So, and that's why we've seen a lot of posturing by the government. Kiran Rijiju in fact said that this was being very undemocratic, and the opposition was the Congress was being very arrogant. So I don't think there is going to be any lowering of swords as far as this contest is concerned. The Congress has already issued a 3-line whip. So we will see that battle on the third day of the 18th Lok Sabha. We really know which way the entire session after session is going, with a more vociferous and vocal opposition.
Okay, Maushmi Singh joining me at the moment from outside Mallikarjun Kharge's resident. Battle lines drawn, she says, between the two sides. Now,